If you are looking for a small machine that can do so much, then say goodbye to your cluttered nightstands and hello to your all-in-one sleep sidekick. This sleek 4-in-1 bedside gadget combines a white noise machine, dimmable alarm clock, Bluetooth speaker, and 9-color nightlight, all packed into a chic fabric wrap design that fits right in with your bedroom vibe. The auto-dimming display is a dream for light-sensitive sleepers, adjusting with the room's brightness or letting you manually fine-tune it with zero glare. Need sound? Stream your favorite playlist or podcast through the Bluetooth setup or drift off with 24 soothing sleep sounds and 32 adjustable volume levels. Set it and forget it with the built-in timer. This thing is seriously so great. I love to keep it in my office if I'm working for the day. I can have some nice background music. I can Bluetooth my music through the speaker or set timers if I need to remind myself to do something throughout the day. In the bedroom, this little device makes mornings feel gentle with 8 wake-up alarms that gradually rise in volume. No more rude awakenings. Compact, stylish, and packed with features, this is your new bedside MVP.